Regular potatoes are very similar to the sweet potatoes, but there are a few differences that can be noticed in the sweetness, appearance, family and taste. Mostly the sweet potatoes are the ones that have the yellow-orange or the white cream color, and in certain countries such as Japan, their flesh is purple. There are a lot of nutrients and antioxidants stored in the sweet potatoes that are offering numerous health benefits too. Which is why we have decided to tell you the 10 reasons why sweet potatoes can solve many health issues. 1. Because of their richness in fiber, they can detoxify our body and support our digestion as well. 2. They have the ability to control insulin resistance and regulate blood sugar levels, so they are very suitable for people with diabetes. 3. Skin impurities, skin irritations and cleansing the pores can be treated well with the water in which the sweet potatoes were boiled. 4. They can prevent diseases such as arthritis, asthma and gout due to their richness in beta-carotene, which acts as a powerful antioxidant. Also, this ingredient can protect against breast cancer and prevent lung damage. 5. They are very needed by our body because they are one of the richest sources of vitamin C as well. 6. Because of their richness in vitamin A, they are able to support our respiratory system's functions, therefore they are highly beneficial for smokers. 7. They are able to strengthen our bones, heart, teeth and skin, and energize our body as well, due to their richness in vitamin D. 8. They are able to support our heart health because they contain potassium that is reducing the effects of sodium. Also they have the ability to balance the electrolytes and regulate our blood pressure. 9. The high potassium content in sweet potatoes is also able to improve the condition of our tissues and muscles. They can soothe cramps, swelling and regulate the heartbeat. 10. The fetal development is highly supported by folic acid which is contained in the sweet potatoes.